So, you've heard me say it before, our mission is very simple. It's all about speeding up the adoption of today's technologies. And that's going to position everyone for, adopting more technology further down the line and whenever the time's right for them. But it's also about making an impact in the very, very short term. The impact on employees' lives, day in, day out at work, impact on your customers, with new services, new products, with your suppliers, impacting their lives, helping your consultants, your advisors. So the impact you're making in the short term is huge. And the reason I love video is because it just allows you to create content very, very quickly and get very simple messages and very, complicated messages sometimes to your end audience very, very quickly. We've talked about how you leverage your content, how you distribute it, the different formats, the different media. That's all very important. But without data, without knowing what's working and not working, then the rest is kind of like a bit of a gamble or a guess game because you see outcomes, but you're not quite sure what's working and why it's working. What we do is we try and really help you focus on what your data is. So after the interview with us, we track everything all the way through from distribution of the content to the media that's used, through to people actually signing up and reading the article. This is all tracked, so we know where people are coming from. So we can go back to you and say, you realize that all your audience came from Facebook groups, do more of that. Or none of your audience came from LinkedIn groups. What we're doing wrong, is the heading wrong, is the content wrong, is it the wrong group? So you can actually do a lot of analysis just with the core data. And again, even if you're doing your own video, you should be doing this for yourself. You should be tracking every single thing. What we would do with you as well is we actually give you comparison. We'll actually be able to compare, what you're doing with other people who are doing exactly the same thing. So we talk about our customer data engine, and this allows us to do a comparison between, the content that we've created with you compared to the content we create with other clients. So we can tell you what works with other people. So again, you can use this for your own videos, for your own content. But for our campaigns, we'll give you a benchmark of what's working for you, what's not working for you, and compare it against what's working for other people. So not just about you learning yourself about and almost making it up about what's working, what's not working for you. You actually can see what's working for other people and copy it. Simple as that. So the power of data, you know, this is not just about icing on the cake. The cake's irrelevant unless you're looking at data. The icing is the kind of the extra call to action, the extra sales you're going to get out of the back of this. But not looking at data, forgetting about data is like throwing away everything else you've been doing so far.